If you need to request training, you can either fill out an iSupport ticket or you can send an email to training@hartnell.edu. No matter which method you choose, you'll need to include the following information: your training subject, the number of trainees and the name of the department, and your training goals. Let's go over the process for filling out an iSupport ticket. To create an iSupport ticket, go to www.hartnell.edu and scroll down to the bottom of the page. In the footer, click the link that says iSupport. It will redirect you to the iSupport customer portal, where you will need to log in using your employee ID number and your normal computer password. Once you've logged in, click on the Submit Incident icon. Now you'll need to choose your category. Click on the underlined category and select Information Technology, then Professional Development Center. Then you can choose either group training or one-on-one training. Finally, select the appropriate request option. For the description, you'll need to specify 3 things: the training subject, the number of trainees and name of your department, and your training goals. For example, your training subject might be something like Google Drive. The number of trainees might be 1 from the theater department. And your training goals might include uploading files to Google Drive or sharing files. Once you've included that required information, you may optionally attach any files that might help us to better understand your training needs. Once you've included all of that information, click on the Save button at the top left of your screen. You will receive an email confirmation that your ticket has been submitted, and you'll receive status updates as well. That's all there is to it. If you experience any trouble, simply send an email directly to the Instructional Technology team at training@hartnell.edu. And don't forget to visit us on the web at www.hartnell.edu/pdc. Thanks for watching.